Hello internet, I'm going to be doing a video because I'm bored, I have nothing better to do with my life. So I'm thinking I'm going to troll through the internet, do things, and try and make voices for stuff. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So, let's get down to business. Yeah. Okay, I'm basically going to go through Twitter, just Google, YouTube and whatnot, and do like what Brizzy Voices does, and be like, oh hi, but I have nobody to do it with, so it's just gonna be my lonesome. Perfect plan. What I'm gonna do is go to Twitter, and go, what does it sound like? Boom. God, all of them are Brizzies. They're all for Brizzy. Oh, that's fucking funny. Okay, videos. Or not video, photo. Oh dear God. These are just terrible. Like, I'm not even shitting you, they're all Brizzies. I just literally went to what does it sound like. I stuck on my nose. I don't know. My dogs are freaking out. Oh my God. Brizzy, I stole these from you. I'm so sorry. I can't make some water. I promise I'm not on drugs. Okay. Give me the hugs. I probably look really creepy doing this. I probably look so fucking creepy when I do this. No! 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 What the fuck? What am I doing with my life? I'm not doing that. No. Fucking hell. I don't know what I'm doing with my life. Is that all the pictures? That's not all the pictures. Scuttlely. Oh. That's all the pictures. So, that was a shorter video than I anticipated. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a like and toss me a cookie. Get the cookies for you. Say hello. Say hello to Lily. Hi, Lilies. Hi, Lilies. And until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good one. If you didn't like it, please tell me why. And oh, and before I forget, congratulations, Brizzy, on 1 million subscribers. Fucking epic. I've been watching you. Okay, that sounds kind of creepy. But I've been watching your stuff for the last year or so. So congratulations, you are one funny person, and I hope you continue in the future and make more funny stuff. You make people laugh. Again, congratulations on 1 million subscribers, Brizzy. Hopefully, you see this. I have no idea if you will.